Hello everyone. We continue about series video about network final project of network administration subject. In this video, I will continue doing the part E about network policy server. In the first exercise, I will implement radius server for wireless network and install and configure a network policy server for various server. So first of all, I need to install network policy and access services. I need to add roles and features. Next. In the server roles, I will select network policy and access services. So the network policy and access services is done. So I will undo. So now I will add a remote radio server group. I click on Tools, Network Policy Server. Expand the network policy server. Double click on Radius Clients and Servers. Right click on Remote Radius Server Groups. New. The new remote radius server group page appear in group name. I will type radius servers. I click on add. The add radius server dialog box will appear. We continue in the server text box. In the server text box, I will type IP address of RFUD CO110.00.10. I click on authentication or accounting tab. I click on OK. Okay. So now I will configure NPS for various server for VPN connections. On the network policy server console. I click on NPS. In the standard configuration, in the main select radius server for dial-up or VPN connections. Click on configure VPN or dial-up. In the con the configure VPN or dial-up window opens on the select dial-up. To private network VPN connection. I will select the virtual private network VPN connections. Next on next. Add in the settings. In the friendly name settings, I will type server 01. In the friendly name and in the address IP or DNS, I will type the bottom of the dialog. I will type as in the share secret password 01. I click on OK. Back to the specified dial-up or VPN server, I click on next. On the configure authentication methods, I click on next. On the specify user groups, click next. On the specify IP filters page, I click on next. On the specify encryption setting page, next. On the specify username, I will type. Click on next. The width is unlit and click on finish. Next, I will implement radius. First, I will make this radius template. This Now I will use network policy server. Double click on templates management. Right click on share secrets. New in the real share secret templates opens. In the template name I will type share secret templates. Share secret template. In the secret I will type password you want. Confirm share secret. Click OK. Under radius clients and servers, yes, click on the radius clients. Yes, the radius client have added in here. The risk in the radius clients pane, double click on server tier 1. So the server tier 1 properties dialog box opens in the share secret. In the share secret lesson, in the drop down, select share secret team template. Right, okay. Right click on the template management. Click export templates to a file. In the file, insert type templates and click on save. Right click templates management. Import. Click on import templates from a file. Scroll down and click on templates.xml. Yes. So I will leave the network policy server console open for the next so next I will configure radius accounting. I continue using the network policy server console on the NPSG. Click on accounting. In the accounting section, click on configure accounting. when the accounting configuration with the start, click on next. On the select accounting options. So in here I will click on log to a text file on the local computer. Click on next. On the configure local file knowing pane, click on next. On the summary page, next. Conclusion, close. So in the last last exercise of this part E, I will creating and configuring correction request policies from NPS and allow user to connect to VPN only in working hours from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So, in this exercise, I can continue doing the network policy, network policies servers. In the network policy console, opens double click on the policies in the NPS trees. Right click on connection request policy. Click on new. The new connection request policy without pass in the policy name I will type connection request policy 1. Connection request policy 1 under type network access server. Select remote access server VPN dialog. Click on next. On the specified conditions page, click on add. When the select condition dialog box opens, click on the thumbnail type. Add. When the thumbnail types are box opens, click on the IP encapsulating security payload in the thumbnail board ESP layer 2 thumbnailing protocol and secure socket thumbnailing protocol. Click on OK. Add again. Click day and time restriction. Add. When the day and time restrictions dialog box open, click on Monday. Click Monday. Friday. So it is the